Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on the checkout process for the CMS Store. This tutorial follows the previous one, where we discussed adding items to the shopping cart. However, if you're starting here, there's no need to watch the earlier tutorial, as everything will be explained here. The first page you'll see is the shipping reference page, where you can choose between having the items shipped to yourself or directly to the customer. If you want to ship the items to the customer, you can enter their address here. A short form will appear with several fields, and any required fields will be highlighted with an asterisk must be filled in. Let's talk more in depth about the shipping methods before you click on Next. Review and payment. Delivery options are the following. Next day pre-12 p.m., Monday through Thursday, and Saturday delivery. Orders must be submitted before 16:30 p.m., Monday through Thursday, to qualify for 2-day delivery. 2-day delivery orders placed on Fridays will likely be delivered on the following Monday. The shipping charges may vary depending on if you are in the UK or Ireland and the weight of the package that you have ordered. To find out more information about shipping charges, please contact the e-commerce team or your account manager. You can view the order summary, which is placed on the right-hand side of the screen, to ensure that your order is correct in terms of the product and the quantities of the product. Once you are happy with everything, you can click on the Next, Review and Payment button to go to the next page. Here, the first thing required is the PO number. This should be your own reference number, and it's mandatory. For this example, I'll use my name as the PO number. You'll also see 2 payment options, credit card or payment on account if you have a credit limit with CMS. If you select a credit card, the registered card address will be displayed. If you've never entered one before, you'll be prompted to do so. Alternatively, if you have a CMS account, you can select the Payment on Account option. On the right side, there's a review option to double-check your cart. This is useful if you need to confirm your order after being interrupted or answering a call. If you've chosen to ship to a customer, you'll see a customer reference number field. This will disappear if you're shipping to yourself. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the option to apply a discount code. Before you place the order, you'll get an opportunity to review the order summary. This shows the subtotal, shipping costs, tax, and the total. It also includes the 4 items in the cart, their images, quantities, and prices. Additionally, it displays the shipping address, shipping number, and method. If everything looks good, click Place Order. Once your order is placed, you'll receive an order number, which will also be sent to you via email. There's also an option to view your orders and track your orders, which are placed in the My Account section. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the checkout process of the CMS Distribution Web Store.